The Gudur Janda Festival, also referred to as Hanuman Janda uthsav, is a significant cultural and religious event celebrated in Gudur, a town in Andhra Pradesh, India. The festival is dedicated to Hanuman, a Hindu deity known for his devotion and strength. It typically involves the hoisting of a large flag, known as the Janda, which symbolizes the power and protection of Hanuman. The event attracts large crowds and includes rituals, prayers, and a grand procession, making it a vibrant celebration. Local communities gather to honor Hanuman with songs, dance, and other traditional performances. Key highlights: Janda hoisting ceremony. The festival's main event is the raising of the Janda, which symbolizes Hanuman's power and victory. This is carried out with great reverence and accompanied by Vedic chanting and prayers, processions and rituals. The streets of Gudur come alive with grand processions where devotees carry large effigies or images of Lord Hanuman. This procession is accompanied by drumming, dancing, community involvement. Thousands of people, both locals and those from nearby towns, gather for this festival. Vibrant decor. The town of Gudur is beautifully decorated for the event, with colorful lights, floral arrangements, and banners featuring images of Hanuman. Timing. The Gudur Janda Festival is often celebrated in conjunction with the Dussehra festival, making it an even more auspicious period. Symbolism of the flag. The Janda is not just a symbol of victory, but is also believed to provide spiritual protection to the entire region, seeking his blessings for success and prosperity. The festival is a vibrant fusion of devotion and cultural expression, deeply rooted in the traditions of the region.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.